Welcome back to the Automotive. We are taking an extraordinary journey into automotive history as we explore one of the most magnificent luxury automobiles ever created, the legendary Cadillac V16 Coupe. This is not just a car. It is a symbol of wealth, craftsmanship, engineering excellence, and prestige from a golden era when automobile manufacturers competed to build the most luxurious machines the world had ever seen. Even decades after its introduction, the Cadillac V16 continues to capture the imagination of collectors, historians, and automotive enthusiasts around the globe. Its stunning appearance, powerful engine, handcrafted interior, and unmatched exclusivity have transformed it into a true automotive icon. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into every aspect of this incredible vehicle, examining its design, engineering, performance, luxury features, historical significance, and the reasons why it remains one of the most desirable classic automobiles ever built. At first glance, the Cadillac V16 immediately commands attention. Its long hood stretches elegantly ahead of the cabin, creating a dramatic profile that symbolizes power and prestige. The proportions are unlike most modern vehicles because this automobile was designed during an era when elegance and grandeur were considered essential elements of luxury. The front end is dominated by a massive chrome grille that instantly establishes the car's commanding presence. The intricate detailing within the grille demonstrates the remarkable craftsmanship that defined Cadillac's flagship models. Flanking the grille are beautifully integrated headlights that contribute to the vehicle's sophisticated appearance. Every curve, line, and surface appears carefully sculpted to create an automobile that looks more like a rolling work of art than a simple means of transportation. Moving along the side profile reveals flowing fenders that seamlessly blend into the body. These sweeping forms create a sense of motion even when the vehicle is parked. The elongated wheelbase not only enhances visual elegance but also provides exceptional interior space for passengers. Chrome accents highlight key design elements while maintaining a tasteful and refined aesthetic. Unlike many modern luxury cars that rely on aggressive styling cues, the Cadillac V16 achieves its visual impact through proportion, balance, and exquisite detailing. The result is a timeless design that continues to look stunning decades after its creation. The rear section of the vehicle is equally impressive. Elegant bodywork extends gracefully toward the rear wheels, creating a cohesive design that feels both powerful and sophisticated. Every component appears carefully integrated into the overall composition. The craftsmanship involved in constructing such a vehicle is extraordinary, especially considering the manufacturing techniques available during the period. Each Cadillac V16 represented countless hours of skilled labor and attention to detail, making every example unique and highly valuable. Stepping inside, the Cadillac V16 is like entering a luxurious private lounge. The interior showcases the highest level of craftsmanship available during its era. Premium leather upholstery covers the seats, door panels, and various interior surfaces. Rich wood trim adds warmth and sophistication, while polished metal accents provide visual contrast. Every material was selected not only for its appearance but also for its durability and prestige. The seats offer exceptional comfort, reflecting Cadillac's commitment to providing a first-class travel experience for both drivers and passengers. The dashboard is a masterpiece of design and engineering. Large gauges provide clear information while maintaining an elegant appearance. Switches and controls are arranged thoughtfully, ensuring ease of use without compromising aesthetics. The steering wheel itself feels substantial and luxurious, serving as a reminder that this automobile was built for discerning customers who expected nothing less than perfection. Even by modern standards, the attention to detail inside the Cadillac V16 remains remarkable. One of the most impressive aspects of the Cadillac V16 is the sense of occasion it creates. Every journey becomes an event. Passengers are surrounded by luxury and refinement, experiencing a level of craftsmanship that is rarely seen in contemporary automobiles. The spacious cabin allows occupants to relax and enjoy the ride, while the vehicle's smooth operation ensures exceptional comfort over long distances. Of course, the defining feature of the Cadillac V16 is its extraordinary engine. During an era when most automobiles featured modest power plants, Cadillac introduced a 16-cylinder engine that represented the pinnacle of automotive engineering. The V16 configuration was designed to deliver unparalleled smoothness, refinement, and power. Unlike smaller engines that often produced noticeable vibrations, the V16 operated with remarkable smoothness, creating an exceptionally refined driving experience. The engineering challenges involved in developing a 16-cylinder engine were immense. Cadillac's engineers invested significant resources into ensuring reliability, efficiency, and performance. The result was an engine that not only impressed customers but also established Cadillac as a technological leader within the luxury automobile segment. The V16 produced impressive power for its time, allowing the massive luxury coupe to accelerate effortlessly and maintain high cruising speeds with ease. One of the greatest advantages of the V16 engine is its smooth power delivery. Rather than producing sudden bursts of acceleration, the engine delivers a continuous wave of torque that feels effortless and refined. This characteristic perfectly complements the vehicle's luxury-focused personality. Drivers can enjoy strong performance without sacrificing comfort or composure. The engine's quiet operation further enhances the sense of sophistication, allowing passengers to converse comfortably even while traveling at speed. Driving the Cadillac V16 is a truly unique experience. Unlike modern sports cars that prioritize aggressive performance, the V16 focuses on effortless progress and refined luxury. The suspension system is engineered to absorb road imperfections, providing a smooth and comfortable ride. The vehicle glides over uneven surfaces with remarkable composure, ensuring that occupants remain comfortable regardless of road conditions. Steering is deliberate and substantial, reflecting the vehicle's size and weight. While it may not offer the sharp responsiveness of modern performance cars, it provides a reassuring sense of control and confidence. The driving experience is characterized by elegance and grace rather than outright speed. Every aspect of the vehicle encourages relaxed and enjoyable motoring. Braking performance was also advanced for its era, helping drivers manage the considerable size and weight of the vehicle. Cadillac's commitment to engineering excellence ensured that the V16 delivered a balanced and capable driving experience. The combination of powerful performance, exceptional comfort, and impressive refinement helped distinguish the V16 from its competitors. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Cadillac V16 is its historical significance. Introduced during a period of economic uncertainty, the V16 demonstrated Cadillac's determination to push the boundaries of automotive, luxury, and innovation. Rather than reducing ambitions, the company invested heavily in creating a flagship automobile that showcased the very best of American engineering and craftsmanship. The V16 quickly became a status symbol among wealthy individuals, celebrities, business leaders, and members of high society. Ownership of a Cadillac V16 represented more than financial success. It signaled sophistication, influence, and appreciation for excellence. The vehicle's exclusivity further enhanced its appeal. Production numbers were relatively limited, ensuring that each example remained highly desirable. Today, surviving Cadillac V16 models are among the most valuable and sought-after collector cars in the world. Collectors appreciate the Cadillac V16 for numerous reasons. Its historical importance, engineering innovation, stunning design, and rarity all contribute to its enduring appeal. Restored examples often command extraordinary prices at prestigious auctions, attracting buyers from around the globe. The V16 is frequently displayed at major automotive events and concours competitions, where it continues to earn admiration from experts and enthusiasts alike. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe.